Microcut Tools was established 10 years ago. We are a young and innovative company. Every year, we do something new and get new machines in our setup. It's our motive to achieve excellent speed and precision, for which we keep updating ourselves regularly.
We were looking for a new better CAD software. Having used Autocad for many years, when we saw BricsCAD, we felt it is faster and has the same commands and shortcuts. So we decided to try BricsCAD. We downloaded the 1-month trial version. When we meet our customers, we tell them to try BricsCAD, and they have also taken keen interest in BricsCAD. We cater to both SME and large customers. The big firms can pay heavy subscription fees every year for Autocad, but that may not be possible for everyone. BricsCAD is fairly priced, it's reasonable. I have about 200 to 250 customers, and I have recommended many to go for BricsCAD. Many have downloaded and started using BricsCAD and have liked it.
We are expanding now. We started with 4 employees, today we have around 20 people employed with us. BricsCAD has also been a great help in our expansion plans. We are having a great experience with it. Better than Autocad. We have also got very timely and professional support from the BricsCAD partner. Thank you BricsCAD, and thank you Kyrotech.